Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Xute macro virus, or maybe it's Xute or Xute or Xute. I'm not entirely sure, but we're just going to go ahead and open it. You can let me know how you would pronounce it in the comments if you'd like, and this does not look good. Oftentimes when we open these macro viruses, they have some sample text, maybe like a concert listing or something like that, or it's like a blank file that says this is a sacrificial goat. This one has some very creepy looking wingdings with the bomb and the thumbs up and the OK hand and then a bunch of creepy smiley faces. It kind of reminds me of the You Are an Idiot Trojan, but a lot more unsettling because this is just plain creepy. What happens if I change this font to something else? I actually have to select it first. Oh, blocks, okay, courier. Oh, squares, alright, even better. What if we do another symbol like webdings? Okay, that's better. Now we got palm trees and a mountain and a city. Okay, I'm better with that. Okay, I feel better. Let's move on to Xute. So if we open up Tools, Macro, and Macros, what do we see? We see one macro in this document called Auto Close. So whenever any Word documents infected with this are closed is when they will spread or perform their payload routine. If I open this, I actually just ran it. Oops. Okay, I actually want to edit it. So now we can see it's added it to the normal template because I meant to open it to view the code, but accidentally just ran it instead, which, I mean, we were going to do eventually, but oh well. So let's see. At the top here, we see some somewhat encrypted code. I mean, it's not very strong encryption, but generally just like if you took some text and then rotated it or scrambled it a little bit, the virus will decrypt this before it prints anything out. So you, the end user, might not notice anything very alarming just by looking at this, but I'm sure it'll be something bad anyway. If we scroll down, we can see something is happening. If the month is 7 and the day is 26th, July 26th, or, oh, went too far, if the day plus the month equals to 30. Then we're going to print something with greets and the message, wow. Wow, okay. So the rest of this is just adding the virus to the normal template so that any Word document that you create or open after this will be infected with Xute. So let's close that. Let's go ahead and close this. I'm going to save this now because I'm liking the Webdings version a lot more than the Wingdings version. So yes, I want to save that. So let's see, we need to make this equal to the 30th. So July 23rd would work. And let's try opening it one more time. Oh, look at that. Author, Xute, title. I cannot pronounce that. So take your best guess. One more time. Alright, so of course the macro activates when Word is closed, or when the document is closed. So let's do File, Close. Wow, Kutrex by Xute. Okay, whoa, where did my desktop go? Where did my icons go? Alright, we closed it. Can we start a new one? Yeah, we can. We can close that, and uh-oh. All users / desktop is not accessible. This folder was moved or removed. That's not a good sign. If you remember my Arctic Bomb Trojan video from like over 10 years ago, this is kind of giving me similar vibes. Can I change the volume? Oh no, because Run DLL32 is gone. Can I open this? This does not look quite right, but I'm not sure. Well, I got this window open. Let's see what I can do from here. I can't hit edit. I can hit file. I can work offline. Alright, work offline is functional, so I think we're good to go. I can refresh, add the links, add this page to my favorites. I don't even know what this page is, but I can do it. About Windows 98 still works. Okay, things are looking up. Let's play Solitaire. Oh no, it's gone. So, funnily enough, running on Windows 95, 98, or ME, when documents are closed and the payload activates, this virus is capable of simply running del/y immediately, which of course nukes everything on your hard drive except for the applications that are already open and in use, which leaves you with stuff like this, the control panel that's completely blank. If we search for files or folders on the entire C drive, I want to see everything we have left. There's not much. 71 files for the entire PC. And this is just everything that was in use. A lot of those are fonts. There's Xute. Can we still open it? Oh good, we can at least still run the virus. So, that's nice. Looks like it did not delete everything again, which doesn't really matter because everything is gone already. Let's go ahead and restart, see what happens. And of course, as you would expect, nothing can boot. So relatively simple virus, less than 100 lines of code, but incredibly destructive. And if you're still here watching, thank you for sticking around to the end, and I've got a question for you. I would love if you could tell me what you see in your mind when you hear the term computer virus. When you hear those two words together, either in the media, in books, in print, online, anywhere, what do you see in your mind? What do you think about when you hear computer virus? Just a little something I've been thinking about. And maybe when I get enough responses I can share everything together. But anyway, that is about it for the Xute macro virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.